Goro mongirore Migao mar Somo Julius Bitoko wacho ni nyaka sani skunde duto oseyudo buge mag gred 10 e sama somo dhi mbele. Koloso e kaunti ma Kitui, wacho ni giselimo thoth sikunde kendo yango ni atamalo 98 mag jopuonjre mag gred 10 osedonjo e skunde.
So I have come also to confirm on behalf of the government that all the grade 10 students have reported to this school. And we are really very happy and we really welcome you warmly to senior school. Competence-based education is a very, very special education system. And we are saying this is the education system that is going to transform our country from third world to first world. And these are the people who are going to change this country. That is why the government is putting every resource, is investing every coin to ensure that you have enough teachers, you have enough facilities, you have materials, you have everything that you need so that you can be able to study, so that you can be able to understand concepts, so that you can be able to pass your exam and become a responsible Kenyan citizen.
Telo manyien e riwruok makedo ne ratiro ma jopuonj NATE bade ma Homa Bay oyango ni koro gichako chenro mar riwo wi jopuonj mag NATE e alworano bang' pogruok maduong' manobedo e kinde yiero margi manobagi dwe mokalo.